So hello guys, it's Game Square back with a new World Force video, and today I'm gonna play with the MPX with suppressor because it's a very great gun, and as you can see the RPM is very great, 850, so that's very great, and the damage is decent, 4 shot to the body and 2 shot for the head. And as you can see with the suppressor, the range is not that great, so it goes to 6 shots, so that's not great at all. Accuracy is nice, and hip fire, as you can see, it just wrecks everyone. And stability, it's also very great, so I just decided to use this gun because with the suppressor it's very great. Like it's a 4 shot kill, 2 shot for the head, and you can just wreck everyone because it's not that OP also, and it's not that a stupid gun also, so it will be very amazing with the suppressor. So let's check it out how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I didn't get the laser sight because everybody will see me, and I didn't get the laser sight in the M911 also. So let's see. I bet not to rage as I did in the UMP video in the previous one. I hate the UMP, man. Really, literally, man. Not kidding. Gonna go in Asia. Come on, where are the freaking servers? Here we go. Gonna go in team deathmatch and please. Alright, woods. I love it. There are so many hiding spots, so I can just wreck everyone. And flank also. I don't want that. I'm joining a match. In that match, I'm just gonna freak out and everybody's spawn trap. And I'm just, pinned. I can't do anything. I don't want that match, so let's see. And woods. Alright, there we go. Alpha loadout. I'm gonna go in it. Alright, oh shit. I don't know why the screen scale just increased to 100. I didn't say it too. I'll just play it on 79 or 80 or 75 or something like that. Alright, let's see. Okay, let's flank him. Oh my god! Ah, what the? That was my kill! That was my freaking kill, man. That was my... I'm gonna see it's taking a lot of shots. Alright, there's a dude flanking him. I'm gonna go from here. We're gonna wreck everyone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh man, I gotta just run from here. There were so many. If I would be having a very powerful weapon, I'd have wrecked everyone. Oh my god, right now I'm so goddamn. Just tap to my counter UAV, man. So nice. So freaking nice, man. So freaking nice. Alright. Daisy Arkham Knight? You saw his name was like anything. So stupid. Oh god. No. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, please. I'm not having so many bullets. Freak, he's dead. He's down. Oh my god, you saw. Oh god. Damn it. He just saw me and just wrecked me like anything. Okay, just tap in my UAV. Just go from the back. Oh my god, there's someone. There we go. There we go. Oh my god, don't kill me. Oh god. Damn it. The match just ended like anything. I would have wrecked everyone. 9 on 1. That's nice. On 279 thing. That's really very good, man. I'm gonna go in. Alright, melt down. We gotta go and met down. That'll be very great. Okay, alright. It's very amazing map, melt down. It's the latest map, not I can't say latest, but I know. It's a very great map, there's an underground passage also. So you can go underground because, but I don't know why many people are saying that it's not that great map. I don't know why. It's so great, man, so great. It's so big also, not that small, like anything. So, hey. He also got the suppressor, man. He's like me. Hey, bro. What's up? What's up, bro? So how many are there? Alright. Okay. There's a quite cheating. And we got only 3 and we are 4. And we's gonna get wrecked. Oh, there's someone. Oh my god. My god. I'm not playing good. I don't know why. He's gonna come from here. There we go. Oh my god. He got MPX with suppressor. That's my MPX. Oh my god. I'm just gonna wreck that dude, man. He's just wrecking everyone. Oh my god. It's taking so many freaking bullets. My god. Everybody's taking my MPX and wrecking me only. Who does this? Take the grenade, man. Taste it. Grenade tastes very nice. It's like a chocolate flavor or something. Oh my god. No one is dead. Oh man. You saw that? He was hiding like a sneaky person. Who does this? I'm just gonna go from the other side and gonna wreck him. Ah, he's dead. Oh my god. I'm dead. Freak. Everybody's having my MPX. Oh my god. I'm gonna get wrecked. I'm gonna get wrecked. Really. From the AK-12. I don't know why. It's quite glitchy. I'm not playing good, man. I gotta wreck everyone. Taste the grenade. You see that the match is glitchy. I don't know why. Alright. Oh, come on. Ah, that the dude who just took my MPX. Throw the freaking grenade over there. Alright, there's the dude, there's the dude. Alright, finally. One kill, man. One freaking kill. I bet not to raid. I said I won't raid, but the freaking gun! Oh my god, I'm having a so bad aim. And that is because of my freaking HUD. I'm not using claw, that's why I'm just freak out. If I would be using the claw, I would have wrecked everyone, man. But I don't like it, you know, using some means which is not good at all. You know? Oh my god, there are so many. Come on, break it. If I get wrecked by that dude. Alright, I just killed him. Here we go. I just want one more kill for the UAV, man. I just need the UAV. I can't see anyone. Let's throw the grenade. If we get a random kill, that is so amazing. There's a dude. Alright. No, god. It's so glitchy. It's so. He also took my MPX. It's so bad. Everybody's taking my MPX like anything. I got M911 also. I'm not using this gun. I don't know why. I'm gonna go with my MPX. You know? Alright, I'm just gonna go from this side. Hey bro, he's going like he's the one or something. Oh my god, he's right there. Everybody knows us. Our freaking body knows us. Hey bro, what's oh my god, they're behind us. They're freaking behind us. I'm gonna go. I'm done. You know, I'm fine, I'm done. Is that dude camping? What the? Alright. He's just wrecking everyone like anything. Oh my god. Oh my god, if I get wrecked by that dude. What the? Oh, lifesaver. Oh my god. That was a freaking life. Oh. Hey dude. My gameplay is so glitchy. God damn it. Don't know what the freak is happening. Come on. It's taking the whole magazine to kill a dude. Come on, I'm just gonna go for this dude. One kill. I'm just gonna get wrecked. There we go. I should have thrown my grenade. I would have got some kills. It's so freaking terrible. Oh man, it's so glitchy. I don't know why. See this? So glitchy, man. Why is this happening? I'm not able to play. Good. You know? Oh god, there's someone. Oh freak. Oh my god. My aim is so bad every time I'm gonna get wrecked. I'm gonna hide here. Hey bro, what's up? Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Alright. I just got the kill like anything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He ain't wrecked. Oh. Health one, really? I would have killed that dude. Come on, MPX with this. Oh man. Oh god dang it. God damn it. There we go. There we go. Let's throw the grenade. The sniper dude is camping? No. Alright, we gotta go back. Same downside. There's a dude. Let's wreck him. There we go. Alright. Oh. Please. Alright, the sniper dude again. He ain't dead. Oh my god. He ain't dead. How? 100. Are you kidding? Are you kidding right now? 100 health, 100 freaking health. That's impossible, man. Alright, wreck him. There we go. There we go. And oh god. UMP, really? I hate it. Alright, I think I should just flank everyone. This will be my last match, you know, I'm just not gonna make a very long video. So, sorry for, oh my god. The hell was he having? Rex, really? So stupid, using the Rex. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Alright, no one's here. Oh my freaking god. Really? Really, man. Break free. Really, he's doing such a long range. I'm not gonna go from there. I'm gonna get wrecked. No, oh my god. Alright, I just wrecked everyone. Okay, oh man, so glitchy. Oh god. What the hell am I doing? I'm gonna get any kill. Really, I'm not kidding. So good, just sit there. Alright. This car is just really OP, man. Not kidding at all. Health 8, really at a rank 2 just fragged me like anything. 92 assist counter skills. Spaghetti. Okay, 23 on 16, that's quite nice. Alright, let's throw the grenade, I just threw it. Alright, I think I saw someone. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm behind you, bro. Oh god, there's someone behind me. Come on, defend. Okay. Okay. Oh god, they're not again, bro. Get down. There's so many every time coming to wreck us. Even RPG for a sec.
You can't fight the friction!
Okay. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Wreck it, fire. Oh god. God dang it. Anyways, I just got a UAV. There's someone. There's not me, bro. Give me this kill. Oh god. Let's go from downstairs, again downstairs, and then upstairs. Ah, freaking counter UAV. Can't see anyone. I'm gonna... Oh god. Anyways, just wait a sec, man. Alright, so... I'm back. Oh man. There we go. Oh god. Now he's playing with the freaking Rex. And the freaking... Oh man. I'm so freaked. I'm so freaked out right now. Get out of here. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Help me. Oh man. Oh my freaking god. Oh man. No. No freak. No freak. You're not gonna kill me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I'm 16 really. Okay, 33 on 21. Really. That's nice. So that was my last gameplay and this map, so that was my last match. I'm gonna go main menu. So that was a really great gun, not kidding, man. Anyways, okay, I just got... shit, damn it. Anyways, so okay, what the freak. Anyways, MPX was really very great, man. I mean, no words for this freaking gun. I got 33 on 21, I think so, and that was nice. Really very nice, man. So if you go with this gun, there are only one way. You just gotta make it not long range, only and only close range, man. Only freaking close range, all mid range. And long range, it just goes to 10 shots, man, really. So it's not great, and its accuracy is not like UMP also, that you just continue firing and everybody will be wrecked. No, it's not like that. So, and hip fire is nice, so close range you can just hip fire also with this gun, but just watch your bullets, it can just go down and just you gotta be just raging and smashing your phone and something like that. So that won't be nice. So it's a very great gun, and M9011, it's a very great combination with this gun, but I didn't use it because I was so busy playing with the MPX. It was really very amazing playing with that gun. So I'm just gonna that was my last match. So hope you guys would have enjoyed my video, and leave a like please, and comment down below which gun do you want me to play with, and please hit that red button written subscribe and that bell button also, so that you can continue getting my notifications of my latest videos. And hope you guys would have enjoyed this video and my commentary, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.